Mastering prediction, your secret key to effective note-taking. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a valuable strategy in improving your reading comprehension. That strategy is applying prediction skills in guiding your note-taking process. By predicting the content based on headings and subheadings, we'll be enhancing our understanding of texts and boosting our recall skills. The process of prediction involves making an educated guess about what will happen next in a text. This strategy is a key player in our reading comprehension toolbox, as it activates your prior knowledge, sets the purpose for reading, and prepares your mind to understand new information. When you read a heading or subheading in a text, make a conscious effort to pause and predict what you think the next section will be about. This step alone can greatly enhance your understanding and recall of the text's material. So, how can we apply these prediction skills to our note-taking? Well, before we start reading a text, we skim through the headings and subheadings. These short phrases give us a quick summary of what the following sections or paragraphs will discuss. After skimming through, take a moment to write down your predictions for each section. These predictions will form the basis of your notes. As you begin to read each section, compare your predictions with the actual content. You can mark your notes with ticks or crosses to indicate whether your prediction was accurate or not. This is where the magic happens. Even if some of your predictions are incorrect, the process of predicting, checking, and correcting will boost your understanding and retention of the content. Remember that prediction doesn't stand alone. It should be integrated with other reading strategies like questioning, clarifying, and summarizing. Use your predictions to guide these strategies. For instance, predictions can help shape the questions you ask while reading, or highlight areas where you need clarification. There you have it, learners. By predicting content based on headings and subheadings, and guiding your note-taking with those predictions, you can supercharge your reading comprehension. Keep practicing this method, and soon, it will become second nature to you. We hope you found this video useful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy learning!